Here's another application example. Mathville is located 4 miles south of Geometriopolis and 7 miles west of Statisticsburg. How far apart are Geometriopolis and Statisticsburg? Let's make the assumption that our directions go north and south, where north is up on the paper and south is down. And then east and west run left and right on the paper. So east will be right and west will be left. If we draw in a quick diagram to organize our information, we have these three cities. Mathville is south of Geometriopolis. So I'll put Geometriopolis in with a G. Mathville is south of that, so coming downward. After that, we have that Mathville is 7 miles west of Statisticsburg. So Statisticsburg will be to the right of Mathopolis. And I will fill in a right triangle. When you have problems like this that deal with those directions, like north and east or south and west, we probably have the right triangle situation happening for us. Our right triangle is in here right by Mathville. Labeling the distances, we have 4 miles between Geometriopolis and Mathville, and then we have 7 miles between Geometriopolis and Statisticsburg. I take that back. We have 7 miles between Mathville and Statisticsburg. We are in charge of finding how many miles are between Geometriopolis and Statisticsburg. In this right triangle that we just drew in, we have the missing edge directly opposite the right angle. And so that means that we're looking for C, the hypotenuse. The Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. In this case, 4 squared plus 7 squared equals c squared, so that 16 plus 49 equals c squared. 65 equals c squared. And if you think that you're done right here, check back at your diagram. The cap for the hypotenuse is 11. 4 plus 7 is 11. That's the upper bound for the hypotenuse. It cannot be as large as 11. It's got to be less than that. And so 65 is way too big. Also, we have a c squared here still in our answer. And so you need to take the square root of both sides of your equation, or take the 1/2 power of both sides of your equation. We'll only get one answer here because we're talking about distance. And when you complete this task, you will find out that C is equal to 8.06, and that is rounded, so it's approximately, and the label for that would be miles. C is approximately 8.06 miles between Geometriopolis and Statisticsburg. The hypotenuse is supposed to be the longest edge of the right triangle, and 8.06 is greater than either 4 miles or 7 miles. So our results are reasonable here.